My name's Hutton, and I'm a pediatrician with Scripps Clinic in Rancho Bernardo. I love kids. Just as long as I can remember. I started babysitting when I was 11 years old. I just have loved caring for children. And I think pediatrics is such a nice specialty because we really get to see children from newborn through college, and to just see them grow and develop and form a relationship with the families is just such a special bond that we're able to build. So I think my biggest area of interest in pediatrics are newborns. I spent a lot of time in hospitals in my early career working in newborn nurseries and deliveries, and I just think new parents are such a great joy to be with, and I don't know, all of the anxieties and nervousness and questions and things that come with being a new parent. And I think being a pediatrician is such a special time to be involved in that those first few weeks, few months of life. I think it's really important to establish a close relationship with your pediatrician, because we often are seeing these kids for newborn through college. And I think having a trusting relationship with a pediatrician sometimes can help to allay some of the fears and worries that maybe can be a normal part of a child growing up, and having somebody that you trust to talk about those things with. I think it's important to come in when kids are well, not only when they're sick, because a lot of pediatrics is just the normal development, making sure that we keep kids healthy and growing and developing to be the best that they can be. And if we only see them when they're sick, sometimes we miss those other things that can be important to child's development. One of the best things about working with Scripps Clinic, that I was actually very fortunate to become part of the Rancho Bernardo group, is that it is a larger group. We are really supportive of each other. There are a lot of doctors, a lot of support staff in the office, and it's also a really nice building in that we have radiology, we have lab, we have just a lot of the ancillary services or extra medical care services all under one roof, which makes things, I think, a lot easier for patients. My hobbies are taking care of my own children. Being a working mom gets pretty busy, so most of my free time is spent taking care of my own kids. I do love cooking, I love gardening. Being in San Diego is pretty fortunate that when I do have free time, I like to be outside and really, enjoy spending time with my family. Mm-hmm.